mystery package here. These knives are very, very sharp. Sharp, nice and safe knife. And we're gonna go through here. Just be careful, don't stab yourself. Don't stab the object. And this is a mystery package from Hong Kong. And I hope it's not drug related. Have a bunch of peptides and I think it's any of that stuff. But I think I know who it's from. There we go. It's a Nike shoebox. And then we'll close that down. This is, that's a tight fitting box. I like tight fitting boxes. This place. Okay, we got power meter. That's what I thought it was. Magene. Is that how you pronounce that, Natasha?
Did you say Magene?
Yeah, is it?
Yeah.
What is Magene?
It's not a Magene, it's a Magene.
Magene. So it's a dual protocol crank power meter. Dual protocol. Lead you to the ridge of cycling. So we've got some good Chinese English going on there. And lead you to the ridge of cycling. So dual protocol. I think maybe they've meant to write dual-sided power meter.
Really?
What do you think? Dual protocol doesn't make sense to me. But
it's open to interpretation.
there's a warranty card in here. So Magene, it's almost like a SRAM. These guys probably make the power meters. Oh, here we go. It does. It's very handy. Wow, it's pretty cool. Nice packaging. I'll recycle this. It does have okay. So it's like a rotor crank Shimano. It's got this. I would suspect coming out of a SRAM factory. It looks very, very similar.
What size is that?
That is a 52-36. So it's a mid-compact. I said to them they should do a 46-30 and a 50-34.
They don't do that.
Not at the moment. But this would probably suit your racing cyclist. So weight wise, it sort of feels like a 105. We'll get the scales out in a second. We also have a dual-sided power meter here, so it's double-sided. What bottom bracket compatibility is that? So it's nicely finished. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks glued on there quite nicely, and sort of hollow. It's a very reminiscent of a hologram 2 calendar. They'll come out of the same factory there in China. And in the box we have, always make sure with your boxes that's a little crank bolt, and we have some charging elements. So it charges. That's interesting. So it charges. It charges. So this will be a cable that you don't want to lose. You don't want to lose this because this is going to be proprietary, which is a bit of a con. And then it clicks on. This must be a different crank length. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. I have to read the instruction mode. That doesn't look like it's fitting on there. I don't read the instructions. I just have a look. If I can get on that, I might have to read. I might actually have to read instructions. It does look like a Shimano Holotech 2. We'll have to confirm that. The cat has Boo-Boo's entered the chat. Here we go. Customs cat's entered the chat. Boo-Boo, you can have a little sniff and inspection, please. I think she's sussing it. Just bring it over here. Boo-Boo. Boo-Boo. Alright, she smells it. She's not. She's a Shimano cat. But yeah, it looks nice. It looks nice. This would be one of the first ones in Australia, I'd say. So it's definitely finished very nicely, and we'll get the scales. So you can pause the camera for a second, Tasha. We'll put some of the scales. Okay, so we've got the cats are coming in. Alright, aren't you a bit curious what's going on around here? This is the customs cat, broilers in the box. And this is the deal here. So we're going to weigh some cranks here. And now we've got the cats have found that box. They finally found it. This is very interesting, watching them. Not amused. How's the truth here? And then we're going to put these on. Alright, I'm just going to weigh the one side. So that's about 541. Squeeze over here. And we have 758. Okay. 758, 541. We've got the hologram. There's a pretty light screen you can get. So 368, I don't have an arm. I'm not sure what the arm is. And then we have a Dura-Ace 9000. Compact crank 5034. 619. 619, the Dura-Ace. How much was the Magene? Simply so a little bit heavier than that. Have another cat in the box now. And then with the old Dura-Ace 7900. That is 650. 650, pretty light. Got an FSA SLK light. These are very light. Boom, 589. And what's this? Got another Dura-Ace. I've got so many Dura-Ace ones. 629, is that touching? 639. 639. Oh, it's got a, yes, random 639. Two Dura-Ace 7900s. Ah, it's got the bolts. It's got the bolts in it. Bolts, no bolts. That's the difference there. So that's a bit of a variety of cranks here. And the Magene, has entered the chat. It's not super light. It's sort of like a 105. But yeah, price-wise, I'm not sure. Let's get it on a bike and see how it performs. Yeah, this is, and make sure you don't forget these bolts. It's only got a single bolt, single clamp. Plus this, so it's got a, this one's made of alloy. So that's going to screw in like that. So I think these are Shimano crank compatible only. Shimano bottom bracket only. GXP style. Let's go find out for sure. Magnetic charging, like so. It's just a little magnet. So you don't want to lose. You don't want to lose this cord. Comes with a quick start guide. You got support here. That's cool. And then you just got all the calibrating, things like that. So it's going to be pretty standard stuff. This is just an unboxing video. First impressions is it's a good value power meter. Could be a bit lighter. Spare chain rings. They're proprietary, so I'm not sure how they come off. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they've got Torx on there, so that's pretty simple on and off. So just getting spare chain rings from Magene. Not sure how much they cost. But yeah, there you go. That's the deal. That's the deal. First impressions. Looks clean. And this is where we got it charged on, so it's just a USB thing here. And then red light, and just wait till it turns green. That's pretty straightforward charging. That's actually a cool way to charge. You just don't want to lose this thing. But I'm sure you can get spares for it. But yeah, this is means there's no battery caps. That's one thing with stages. Sometimes the battery caps can be a bit iffy. So this is looks promising. It's proprietary though, so make sure you keep on that cord. Don't lose that. And about 200 hours charge time. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Please remember to recycle all your packaging. Don't just chuck it in the landfill. Always put it in the recycling box. Planet vegan diet.